whatever the plan you need, you just take it. Then when you take the plan, you download the software with the one who's detected. For example, mine is Windows. Then you have two choices. If you have a platform that give you only one session connection, you take Bridge. Okay, only Rhythmic is available on this software version. So you take a bridge, you can have the Contour bridge or NinjaTrader bridge. Okay, but I make a video on, so we're going just to talk with the broker connection. Then you download the software. Once you download the software, you just need to open it, click here, then execute. Once you execute, here, next. I have mine, so I'm going to remove it. Wait. Okay. Okay. So he's going to say to you where you want to put the file to your folder, whatever. Install, then bang, launch Orderflow. That's it. That's how you can download my software. So I have my Bullner connection, but you can find it here, and you have every version you need. So if you have a problem with this version, you just need to install that version and using this one. Okay. So if you have a lag that's annoying you, just go back to the old version. You have the language, okay, and I'm just going to show you the lead broker. So it's easy. For example, you go here. Many people using Bullnox because it's the cheapest things to have data. So we're going to take that example with Bullnox, right? So you're going to choose Bullnox, then evaluation, and you put your credential. But people say that's not working. Why? Because it didn't like launch AirTrader Pro. So you need to launch AirTrader Pro. Once you launch AirTrader Pro, you're going to put your credential. Okay. Then once you put all your credential, you connect into the system and the gateway that correlate with your session broker. Then they're going to make you sign some contract or make some agreement, something like that. Once you've done this, you can close and just fill the username, fill the password, and everything will work. Okay. And that's it. This is it. This is really easy, guys. I don't know. It's really easy. So right now we're market is closed. So we're not Monday. We're not on that week. So we are on the weekend. So I can show you everything. You're going to discover by yourself. Uh, yeah. The only thing you can show you is maybe script. Here you can script your indicator. You can have a replay on automatic strategy or manual replay. You have AI agent, journals, news, whatever. You have many things that help you to trade. Okay, I'm just using for me. I'm using just script, replay, AI agent, and journal, and it. No, I don't use it. I use footprint too. So yeah. So it's pretty easy. If I should showing you something, maybe it's for the footprint. If you have any problem with the footprint, you just need to press F5. You just need to press F5. That's it. And if you want to have more data, you just need to go to trading setting. You have a range period that you want to load. For example, I want to load 3-day. Boom, I can load 3-day. See, easy. You have the DOM section, the account section, and you can have the tracker section if you're trading without my software. Because I don't let people trade on my software with their platform account because they can have some restriction. That's why. But yeah, so here you have uh, all indicator. There is 200 full indicator in my software, which is pretty crazy. What I've did. And when the market is closed, you can't see them. anything here. You can see the bid and ask. You just need to wait until the open market is there. So you have many indicator, guys. The one I use is Earth because it's my strategy, big trade and down profile and volume profile. So you can have many things. You have assistance AI. For example, I want to change the color of my chart. Uh, it's pretty easy with assistance AI for those who want to make a huge config. So he's doing by himself, and when I apply, he changed everything. That's pretty crazy. That's a huge, and I'm not gonna lie, that's a huge update that industry didn't make it. But this is the biggest useful um, useful a, a feature that they should do, but they they don't care. Okay, I'm going to change the panel here for demo account tracker 2. There's many update coming soon, so yeah. I don't know if I can show you. Wait, let me check. I'm going to do for you guys. PS card. Alright. Because the 0.10 didn't get updated, so I'm going to show you here the preview. It's a preview, okay? It's not something crazy. Right. And I'm going to show you the update of the website, which is pretty crazy. Uh, mm, well, let me check. Let me check the. Oh yeah, here. Like this update is really crazy. Look at that. That's really crazy. I'm pretty proud of that idea. I'm just like thinking about how I'm going to put the nav bar. If you have any idea, guys, I'm open with. Yeah. And there's many things like I'm building right now. See, it's way better. Not gonna lie. See, that's pretty huge. And yeah, I add a feature that's pretty useful. You can compare if you want to choose a plan, which is the best one. Okay, there is this is a preview. That's why I'm saying that there is many lag. And they have the part of perfume. Okay, I'm working on, but when I will finish that, I will updating my website. But right now, I don't want. I don't want to take that risk. So yeah, this is the new versions coming soon. Okay, it's pretty laggy because it's a preview too. Preview always lagging. Yeah, preview always lagging. I'm going to wait here. Okay. Yeah, so now you have quick trade. I forgot to say. You have quick trade, you have psychological level right over there. Here, it's turning into another color. Okay, you see many psychological price level, but it's because it's market close. Again, when it's market close, you see many price psychological have no sense. Okay. AI assistance is now way better. Trading setting, you have more trading setting. Here too, you have the sound, you have the visual settings. Like, for example, there is a thing that I didn't care before. It was to make your footprint layer and back or front or default. So you have all type of footprint now, bid, ask, and the shit, which is pretty cool. Okay, you can see because market is closed. Yeah, but you have center. You have many things. You can change your heatmap candle. So if you want to make it default, or you want to see the volume in the color with the candle, for example, this one have low volume, this one have low volume, this one have a huge volume here. For example, it's just an example. Here there is a lot of volume here. See, this one is have big volume. So yeah, this is pretty useful to have a heatmap candle to see faster the volume, where is the most part where you have a lot of volume. I fixed the LC, okay, with the candle, and have the bar, the current bar with footprint. Okay, that's still here. Every now pair working, every symbol working, and you have all type of time frame. You can have tick, you can have volume, you can have range, you can have delta, whatever. And you have custom too. And you have this one new feature. So you have micro profile tools. Okay. What more can I show? There is some lags that's getting fixed, and script to have something way better. Okay, you have an assistance way better. Replay too. As you can see, my automatic strategy working so good. Now I can make whatever automatic strategy. I can find my edge here instead of like going to VS Code and just working hard for nothings. And I can understand whatever question you ask to my AI, he's going to respond you with any language you choose, and with precision, in detail, and that's pretty useful for you guys. See, you have journal. Journal didn't change. Okay, I just let it like that. You have news, option flow. I didn't work on Gex. I work a little bit, and you have trading. Didn't work to here. It map, nothing changed. Just a little bit. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Just like the biggest part where I work a lot is on the footprint section, because it's really useful, and I were wanting to make something way better. So yeah, thank you guys for watching that, and hope everyone will be better with my software, yeah, and making some payout with. So see ya.